Hey, what's up? Sam here. Today we are going to take a quick look at the Nubia Z40 Pro. The unboxing part you may have watched on YouTube is because some of the fierce guys have stolen the footage from our Chinese BD channel. But no worries, I've reported to YouTube and soon the videos will be taken down. Oh, already took down. Thumbs up for YouTube's intelligent system. They are doing things really fast nowadays. Without further ado, let's get started. From the packaging, we clearly know what Nubia is trying to convey. Its highlight of this Z40 Pro phone, which is the new 64 megapixel 35mm equivalent lens main camera. On the back are all those certifications from different tech providers. Open the box, we see the phone. Immediately you will notice that unique main camera dotted with a red circle. Moving on is the pin, a Type-C to Type-C cable, a quality phone case, one of the finest I've ever seen. That's it, no charger was included in the box. Anyway, moving to the phone, my first impression of the phone is it feels really premium. It weighs 199 grams, not bad. The back panel was age processed with this matte finish. Relaxing, isn't it? As for the rear camera, it consists of a 64 megapixel Sony IMX787 primary sensor with OIS, an 8 megapixel 9x periscope shooter, and a 50 megapixel 116-degree ultra-wide unit. Regarding the specs, the front panel has a 6.67-inch curved OLED display with Full HD Plus resolution, 144Hz refresh rate, and 100% DCI-P3 color gamut coverage. Nubia says the Z40 Pro could reach 1000 nits brightness. The panel has a 20:9 aspect ratio and a sintered punch hole. The selfie camera has a 16 megapixel sensor, by the way. Further, the phone boosts macOS 12 based on Android 12, and the handset is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 SoC, paired with LPDDR5 RAM and UFS 3.1 storage. My unit comes with 8 GB of RAM and supports up to 6 GB of RAM expansion. For this, the Nubia Z40 Pro is backed by 5000 mAh battery with support for 80 watts fast wired charging and 15 watts wireless charging. There's also a limited gravity edition, which comes with a magnetic charging pad. It's the world's first commercially available Android smartphone with a magnetic charging solution. But I guess they haven't even produced it because there's no real footage of that on the whole internet. I will update that on my channel once available, so please subscribe so you won't miss any future videos from me. Please subscribe. If you don't, okay, I cannot do anything. Please subscribe. Anyway, for gaming performance, we think it is a solid one with its thermals well controlled, the same as many other Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 sported flagships we've tested before. By the way, if you are interested in a dedicated gaming phone from Nubia, I've done a review of the Red Magic 7 a few days back. You can check it out. As for camera performance, we took a few samples where we were eating. We also combined with the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Special thanks to my partner KJMX. They have a channel on YouTube as well. Please check it out. And that's my unboxing and hands-on of the Nubia Z40 Pro. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. I'm Sammy and I will see you in the next one.
Seeing monsters at your window. No, you can't sleep. You pretend though. You don't have to play the hero. Cause I got you like you got me. When the earth shakes, when the bombs scream.